welcome back to my channel. This makes episode 10 of season 1. These vlogs, these entrepreneur vlogs have been all over the place, but season 2, we gonna say it's gonna be better. I hope it's gonna be better, but I'm gonna make every intent for it to be better. So today is Friday, March 19th. It is currently 9:30 in the morning, and I am all over the place. I have about an hour and 15 minutes to do a number of things. So basically, I'm gonna just make this full vlog, my first vendor event in Milwaukee. If you've been around and you've been watching for a while, you know that I went to Chicago and I actually was a vendor there, and I sold a number of my cuticle oil pens at the rate of $6. So I'm gonna tell y'all when I have more time what my plan is for tomorrow. And I don't think I'm gonna vlog all day, but let me just tell y'all what I'm going to do today, the day before. So I've already put an order in for a sign for my table. I've bought some things off of Amazon. I need to fill my cuticle oil pens, and I need to get a number of things for my suite. I need to be moving while I'm talking to y'all, such as like I want to bring my signs, like my yoni sign, my detox sign, so I can have those on the table. I'm gonna bring my little I'm gonna bring my book that I have, my Black Women Empowerment book. I'm gonna put that on the table just so people can kind of get an inside look of what it's like at Renew Spa, because Renew Spa is a vibe, if you did not know. So basically, I've got to go to Dollar Tree, Office Depot, and some other errands for my, like the bank, things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say that I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me and try to get as much footage as possible. If I don't pick this camera back up today, because today is about to get a little wild, I still have to go to work. I still have some appointments for myself, and I gotta prep all of this stuff. I will keep y'all updated for sure tomorrow morning. But yeah, I will catch y'all in a bit, and let's get to this vlog. Good morning. Today is March 20th. Today is the day of the vendors event. I'm getting ready. I just stretched naked. Stretching naked is so like, it's a thing. Try it if you have not. I'll just put a little eye makeup on. But I just wanted to get dressed with y'all real fast so we can get this day started. Yesterday was a day, but I made it through. It gotta be the stimmies. Like, people was just everywhere. The lines were super long. Like I told y'all before, I'm PMSing, but I'm not PMSing yet. So my attitudes, everything just be like exaggerated. Anyways, today is gonna be a good day. Let's get dressed, let's drink a little wine, let's pack up, let's head to the event, set up, and make some money, and get some new clients as well too. So let me show y'all the vibes that I'm going for. Let me open this window. Even though I'm naked, they might see a little something today. I hope this isn't disturbing that I don't have a shirt on right now. I probably should put a robe on, huh? I'm about to flip the camera in a second. It's fine. I got 2 shirts made, and I really want to wear like a skirt with like some high-waisted boots. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees outside, or some booties. So I thought that would be a vibe. I'll put some pictures on the screen for the motivation, the inspiration I was going for. But let me show y'all what I did yesterday. Yesterday, I went to the store and I bought all of this stuff, but I'm not keeping all of this stuff. It's just the fact that I don't know which skirt is going to look the best, or which skirt I can fit. I really like this one, but I don't think that I can fit it because it's a small, and I'm not a small. This one, which I'm not too fond of. I think if the last button unbuttoned and I could have showed a little thigh, like these two, it would have been cute. But we're going to try it on. And then the third skirt is more sort of a skirt. It's like shorts, but it has this flop on it, and it's a little bit smaller. And then I also got this one, and this is just in this year, and this summer I really want to wear skirts with like graphic tees and tennis shoes. Like that's my vibe I'm going on. So I bought this one. And then I also just got some pants just because, and I got it like a real long blazer because I don't own one of those. Okay, and I have 2 belts, but of course I'm going for gold. And then these are the 2 shirts I got, y'all. So I got this shirt made, and it says "Come Where You Are Loved, Renew Spa," and it's smaller. And then I got a sweatshirt because if you know me, I love sweatshirts. So this is the same, but it's very big. It's a large, and it says "Come Where You Are Loved." So I'm about to try some stuff on and see what we can come up with. Okay. It's a no. All right, y'all. So the skirts weren't a go. I also got these pants. These pants were not bought for this outfit. I bought them because they're cozy, and I love cozy things. They're like a black cargo pant. Alright, this was the vendor event. It went really well. This was my little setup. Everything worked out. My signs, my raffle. It's my little virtual tour. It's my little special. My email list. Look like that. Really good event. So tired. I'm so tired. Tired not the word, okay? OMG, y'all. Egg. Exhausted. Alright. As y'all can see, I just walked in my house and my food is ripping through the bag. But I just want to close out this video because it's been a very long day. It's been a very long week. But what I do want to say is, 1 second, y'all. Excuse this quality, y'all. But what I do want to say to y'all basically is, like I always say, I'm about to go to sleep, y'all. I cannot wait to get these clothes off. You can do anything you put your mind to. And when you watch my channel, I hope that you are reminded of that. It all starts with a plan, and then you just have to execute it. I knew about this vendor event for about 2.5 weeks. So I just started planning. I used my little notebook. I wrote down everything I wanted it to entail, and that's what I did. So yeah, I wrote everything down and then I made it happen. It was a success. I booked more than the 5 people that I wanted to book. I made well over $250. So it worked out really well for me. I'm gonna just go ahead and edit this vlog and have it up to y'all hopefully tomorrow. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be, but I just wanted to make this content pretty straight to the point instead of dragging this content out as long as I do with you all. Is there anything else I have to say? I did not get a bunch of content because it took me longer to set up because I was struggling trying to put a tablecloth on my table plus that little runner that I had on there. So it took me longer. So I literally had to just jump right in because the doors open. The doors had actually opened and I had just finished setting up. So I didn't get much content of me there and interacting with people or anything like that. But I still hope that y'all can take something away from this. I'm excited to see how Renew Spa continues to grow. It's going to be great. We're coming up on our 1 year anniversary in like 3 months. So I have to start planning that out. And of course, I'm going to take y'all along that journey with me as well too. But I'm tired, y'all. My little friend finally came, and I'm happy my little friend came after the event. But yeah, I'm about to eat, shower. I'm about to get myself together. I will talk to you all soon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm so excited to bring along all my new clients that I met today and get to know them and just grow. Like, it's such an exciting feeling. But back to what I was saying, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Renew Spa. Renew Spa if you watch this full video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And like I always like to say, do more, choose the life that you love. Peace. Continue support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.